Hi, my name is Blake and I'm the CEO of Bamboo, which is a crypto savings app here in Australia. And today I'm going to provide you with a little bit of a run through of the product to get you started. So here is the homepage and it shows you all of the information that you might want to see at a glance. That includes your total portfolio value, annual performance. Below that, you'll find your investment strategies. So Bamboo is really about dollar cost averaging and investing incrementally into the crypto market over time, which is a really safe way to invest. And the two strategies that we have to help you achieve this is through your reoccurring investments, which is like a payday or an investment that's made on every Monday. And secondly, we have roundups that allow you to round up the spare change from your daily transactions, like buying a coffee, and invest small amounts every day and every week so you can achieve your savings goals. Next up, we have the bonus section. So we reward our customers for using the Bamboo app and having sustainable investing behavior. So every time you have a successful payment, we'll give you a little bit of a reward for that action. And then secondly, we reward you for bringing your friends and family onto the Bamboo app with $10 bonus of cryptocurrency for both yourself and your friend. You're able to share these referral cards very easily through social media and messaging apps to help your expanding circle get onto the Bamboo app. Next up, education is such an important part of participating in the crypto ecosystem, and we provide weekly and fortnightly blogs and newsletters, as well as a weekly podcast where we break down what's happening in the crypto ecosystem. The podcast Crypto Curious is Australia's most listened to crypto podcast, and we help you along your journey, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced. Now, we're going to dive a little bit deeper and look at your portfolio. So on the top right, you're able to select your portfolio and see your performance over time. And from there, you're also able to see which assets are in your portfolio composition and then dive a little bit deeper to get some more granular data about how your investments have performed over time. Now, if we navigate back to the home screen, we'll be able to see one other really important feature, which is the hero actions. This can be found on the bottom navigation bar, the little Bamboo logo, where you click on that and you can either select to do a direct investment, a one-off investment into any individual assets that we have, or into your total portfolio composition, which is a basket of assets that you can select during the onboarding. And finally, if you have any questions, you can click on this blue circle on the homepage and ask our support staff at any time. You'll be able to find the Bamboo app on Apple or Android store,